everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. We understand hotel location, attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address any of your basic questions about this hotel. Cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an account prior to arrival. Enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in